Let's be honest, if your logo looks a little ugly, it's not your fault. Designing a clean, modern logo requires real training, but you can fix it today without learning any design skills. DIY logos usually look messy because of random fonts, random colors, clip art icons, and no spacing rules. Designers spend years mastering typography, color psychology, spacing, layout, and branding. That's why their logos look clean and balanced. Here's the shortcut. Instead of spending hours trying to learn design software, you can hire a professional logo designer online. All you do is browse designers, pick a style you like, and send a simple message with your brand name and colors. They handle everything else. They choose the right fonts, build a proper color palette, create a unique icon, balance your spacing, and deliver high-resolution files ready for your website, social media, and products. This method saves you time, stress, and money, and you get a logo that actually makes people trust your brand. If you want the designers I personally recommend for under $30, the link is on my YouTube channel homepage. Just tap my bio or visit my link tree.